What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of A Nomad's Life. Today, I'm gonna share with you my secrets so you could find the perfect dispersed campsite. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content. Let's get to the video. It's exhilarating to drive down a dirt road that I've never been on before. I'm anxious to see what's around the next corner and excited to find a new place to call home. This is my life, and I want to share it with you. I hope you can learn from my experiences, and I want to inspire you to get out there and live your best life. When I'm looking for a new place to camp, I start with the iOverlander app. It's a great starting point because it shows locations of where campers have stayed. People post photos and videos of their campsite. However, I rarely stay at iOverlander locations. The locations on iOverlander sometimes get busy, so I tend to stay away from them. So I like to find my own campsite, something that's not on the iOverlander app. I use maps like this to locate public land. I work remotely, so I rely on cell reception to generate income. I use a website to locate Verizon towers. When I get to my campsite, I use a speed test app to make sure that my connection is stable. I actually marked the locations of Verizon towers in this book so I know where they are. This is a great way to find BLM land and forest land, and it shows where all the roads are. It shows what the topography is like. So I'll know if I'm close enough to a tower and if I'll actually be able to reach the tower with my cell phone. Once I become familiar with the area and what the public land is like, and I know where the cell towers are located, I use Google Earth to pin locations. I'll use satellite imagery to locate potential campsites. It also helps me navigate to the exact location that I'm trying to go to. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content, and keep chasing your dreams. I'll see you in the next one.